Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Milky Way token. To celebrate the launch of Milky Way, there is an airdrop event going on, and we're going to go over that. Ticker symbol is MILK. This token is being listed on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token, mintscan.io/Milky Way. That's where you're going to find the statistical information. And it says here, Milky Way is the first and largest modular liquid staking provider. Start with 1 stake, make infinite impact. Total supply, 1 billion tokens. Ticker symbol is MILK, and name of the token is Milky Way, all one word. So it says here that there is an event going on. So it says Milky Way community exclusive pre-deposit milk and share 10,000 USDT prize pool. So it says Mexc Global has partnered with Milky Way. By the way, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there if you want to check that out. So it says Mexc has partnered with Milky Way project team to launch a pre-deposit event with a prize pool of 10,000 USDT to be shared. The event is going on starting yesterday, April 23rd, 17 hours UTC time, until April 26th, 12 hours UTC time. During the event period, users complete the following steps. So it says, step 1, after connecting your wallet to the Milky Way airdrop checker, choose to deposit Milk airdrop to your Mexc account and then fill in your Mexc UID, and you'll get that when you open an account. Like I said, referral code is down there if you're interested. You're going to find the airdrop checker links, all that type of stuff on the Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here at Milky_Way_zone. And yeah, so it goes over the steps on how to do it. And it says ensure you submit the correct information. During the event period, the top 500 users with the highest deposit amounts will share the prize pool of 10,000 USDT. And yeah, so there's this airdrop event. It says to celebrate the launch of Milky Way. So it's safe to assume that shortly after this event, the token will also be listed on Mexc. So that would be a way to get it. You will have to wait, obviously, for the listing to pop up, but just follow that Twitter right there, and then you'll be able to go through that Mexc referral code if you like, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then search MILK when it gets listed in the trade section, and then simply just buy the token. So Milky Way is the first and largest liquid staking and restaking protocol in the modular ecosystem. In December 2023, as strong believers in modular architecture, we began our journey by pioneering an enhanced liquid staking solution for the Celestia blockchain and have evolved into a comprehensive solution that unifies liquidity and security across a broad range of blockchain services. Milky Way aims to consolidate fragmented trust and security by allowing multiple services to tap into a single flexible pool of staked assets. This approach not only streamlines security for developers, but also empowers users to capitalize on multiple earning opportunities. This was phase 1 of our end-to-end liquid staking portal, allowing TIA holders, that's the Celestia token, TIA, to stake without locking up their assets. Instead, they receive a representative token on their staking position known as the liquid staking token or liquid staking derivative, which can be used to participate in various DeFi protocols to maximize their returns. Since then, it has gained significant traction from the community, and Milk TIA, the receipt token of TIA, is now listed across numerous DeFi protocols. In the rapidly growing landscape of the modular ecosystem, we're now expanding to Phase 2, a go-to platform for efficiently plugging in and out security for blockchain projects powered by restaking protocol for the modular ecosystem. And this phase aims to solve the fragmented trust and crypto economic security issues in blockchain networks. By integrating restaking solutions, we support the rapid growth of the modular ecosystem while generating greater yields for our users. So what products does Milky Way offer? They have the modular liquid staking product. It's a liquid staking service for the modular ecosystem with its own unique design in the most secure way possible. Product is live for Celestia TIA with Milk TIA, and soon for Initia. I did a video on that, ticker symbol INIT, with Milk INIT. Milk Init, modular restaking product. It's a modular restaking protocol for the go-to platform for efficient plug in and out security for off-chain services that are in need of their own validation process for verification. A place for any developer to borrow security to bootstrap their services. Restaking deposit is live for TIA and LSTs of TIA, such as Milk TIA, ST TIA, and D TIA. Other assets like USDT, USDC, BTC, ETH, and other modular assets will be whitelisted in the near future. So why should you use Milky Way? Well, they have you can stake TIA or Init without locking up your assets. You can quickly integrate a robust security layer without designing a staking token, bootstrapping a separate validator set, attracting stakers, and gaining market adoption. Expand your revenue streams by securing multiple AVSs. Earn additional rewards by restaking your existing staked assets to secure new projects and services. And diversify your portfolio by participating in a thriving ecosystem of modular chains, LSDs, and restaking services. So Milky Way leverages a range of cutting-edge solutions to deliver products that unify liquidity and security across a broad range of blockchain services. So go check out Milky Way and their Milk token. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.